For today's entree, we recommend to try out our delicious recipe for homemade sausages. Take the knobs of garlic and cut them in half. After you've cut them, squish them using your knife. Put the garlic in a small pan and boil with 6 ounces of water. Cut up all of the meat into small pieces and season with salt. Smash the pints of black pepper and season the meat. Mix everything by hand. Make sure that the water has soaked in all of the garlic flavor. Using a machine, grind all of the pieces of meat and place them in a big pan. Put the garlic water alongside white wine in the bowl with the freshly ground meat. After mixing it up nicely, let it sit for about an hour. Put a cylinder on the grinding machine that serves for making sausages. Take the intestine and put it on the cylinder. Once it's on the cylinder, cut the intestine. Turn on the machine as you add your ground meat on the other side. Once the sausages are made, turn off the machine. Make sure to roll the intestines to make the sausages. They should all be the same size. On the edges of the individual sausages, cut them with a knife. Leave a pair of sausages per cutting. Take a pan and put some oil on it. Then start frying your sausages. Make sure to roll them on time so they don't get burnt. While you're frying your sausages, put the potatoes in the same pan as well. Once everything is cooked and ready, serve on a plate. Serve your dish alongside a tablespoon of mustard. Estimated duration for preparation of the meal is approximately an hour. Bon appetit!